Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this version of Vanguard. It requires secure boot to be enabled in order to play Valorant. This is a very easy fix. Just ignore the last part to check the notification center. It doesn't really help. First, I want you to check if secure boot is actually enabled. So you come here to the search bar and type SYS info. Okay, type this in, open this app, system information, and here I'll show you how to check if your secure boot is enabled. So you come scroll down here, you'll see your secure boot state. If it says unsupported or off, it's not actually on. So I'll show you how to turn it on. Okay. So you first need to open your Windows settings. So click on the start icon in the lower left corner of the screen, and then go ahead and click on settings. Next, I want you to go ahead and click on update and security. Okay. And if you're on Windows 11, this option will be called System instead. Now go ahead and select Recovery in the left-hand sidebar. This is near the middle of the menu options and has an icon of a thin rectangle with a circular arrow above it. Alright, now come here and click on Restart Now under Advanced Startup. And once your PC restarts, you'll be presented with a blue screen and several options to choose from. So I want you to go ahead and select Troubleshoot and then select Advanced Options. Now, from Advanced Options, okay, I want you to click on UEFI Firmware Settings. And if your PC has a restart button, but not a BIOS setup button, you go ahead and start Secure Boot, right? Restart first. But otherwise, just click on this and then just go ahead and find the secure boot setting right here and just enable it. Okay, just go ahead and toggle this on. Just click on that, just press your enter key. Now here I want you to also navigate the BIOS. Okay, you need to also enable TPM 2.0 within your BIOS or UEFI. A lot of people, it will not tell you this. This is actually also needed. So go ahead to System Protection or Security, depending on your version of your computer. And go ahead and look for the TPM setting. So this option may say TPM, Intel Platform Trust Technology, IPTT, or TPM, right? Depending if you're using AMD, whatever CPU you're using. So go ahead and enable that. You just press the enter button to toggle it on. Okay, and then make sure, guys, you press F10 to save your settings, and now you can exit BIOS and restart your computer. It's really that easy and simple. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Smart Solutions.